Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect any smartwatch to phone. So if you just got your FitPro smartwatch and confused on how you can connect it, don't worry, I'll show you how you can do it in under 3 minutes. So through this video, I'm going to help you connect your smartwatch or your FitPro smartwatch or similar to Android or iPhone devices. So the first step that you need to do is just download the FitPro app. You can go to the Play Store or App Store and then just search for FitPro. Click on search and then type in FitPro. And here is the app. You can just click on the app and then install it on your phone. So just install the app and wait until the installations process is finished. So once the app is fully installed, you can just open it. And now give permissions by clicking on agree in here. And then in here, grant permissions for device locations. And after that, you can just create an account or skip login. So the app will ask to access Bluetooth. You can just allow the Bluetooth. Here you can click on set, and here you can just click on find to find the device, the smartwatch device that you just bought. And in here you can just click on this bin device to experience or Bluetooth icon and then click on allow. And don't forget to turn on your smartwatch Bluetooth first, and your smartwatch should appear in here and you can just select it to connect. So once paired, your watch will show the time, steps, and sync with your phone. And that's it. Now you are connected. So hit like if this helped and subscribe for more smartwatch tips. If you got connection issues, you can drop a comment and don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.